Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok verification code not working. First is to check your internet connection. So, go to your settings and open Wi Fi. Now, from here, connect to a stable Wi Fi network or mobile data. Once done, you can close TikTok completely and reopen the app. Then try again and see if that works. Next is to clear TikTok cache. So, open TikTok, then click your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, click the three-line menu in the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Then tap on Clear, besides Cache to clear cache. Then tap on Clear again to confirm the action. Then restart TikTok and request a new code and see if that works. Next is to update TikTok. So open App Store or Play Store, then search for TikTok. Now from here, tap Update if it's available, then open TikTok and try again. And that's basically it.